Hello friends, are you looking for different and unique business ideas? Should it be a big factory or without a big investment? Here, today for you, we have brought you the best list of 15 unique small machines, through which you can start a small business and become a big success. Moreover, you can buy all these machines from your nearest industrial machine manufacturer, or you can also get them in India through online platforms like IndiaMart, Trade India, and many others. And if you are abroad, you can import them through B2B platforms like Alibaba, made in China. Also, the price of each varies depending on its size. So research carefully before buying. So, if you are thinking of starting an innovative and efficient business, then definitely watch this video till the end. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments which machine you like the most. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Sponge making machine. Cleanliness is a necessity for every home, due to which the demand for these sponges is increasing day by day, especially in hotels and cleaning service companies. Therefore, you can easily make domestic and industrial cleaning sponges using a sponge making machine. The specialty of this machine is that it can be operated even in a limited space, and you can make more than 1,000 sponges in a day by making sponges in different shapes and colors. Number 2. Jewelry chain making machine. Jewelry never goes out of fashion, and it is in great demand, especially among women and online boutique owners. And with a jewelry chain making machine, even beginners can make 200 to 300 beautiful, intricate chains per day. So the investment you need to buy these small machines may be from 1.5 lakh rupees. Then you can make and sell them in different metals, shapes and customized designs, suitable for selling in local markets, online or in big jewelry stores. Number 3. Toothpick making machine. There is a constant demand for toothpicks in every restaurant, cafe, hotel, eatery and home. These toothpick making machines take thin wooden sticks, process them, cut them, sharpen them and polish them. Moreover, the machine costs between 1 lakh and 3 lakh rupees to buy and can make thousands of toothpicks a day. Moreover, the machine imported from China are mostly cheaper. Number 4. Pencil making machines. Friends, if you want to enter the field of education, pencil making is a great option. Yes, pencils are essential especially for schools, artists and offices. Also, with this small pencil making machine, you can make wooden pencils or colored pencils in different designs and quality. Then you can easily supply them to schools, offices, stationery stores. The price of the machine ranges from 2 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees depending on its size and working capacity. Number 5. Tire shredding machine. Waste management is a big business, and the powdered rubber produced from old tires is used in playgrounds, road construction, fuel, etc. So you can start the business by buying a tire shredding machine with an investment ranging from 5 lakhs to 20 lakh rupees, depending on its capacity and output. Moreover, through this business, you not only make money, you also help the environment. Number 6. Facial mask making machine. There is a fast-growing demand for face masks in the beauty and skincare industry, especially in parlors, bridal and beauty salons, and some online beauty supply chains. So you can invest between 2 lakhs and 7 lakh rupees and make single-use face masks made of cloth or biodegradable materials with a semi-automatic machine. Then you can sell your products on Instagram, Amazon and local beauty stores. Number 7. Spring coiling machine. Springs are a necessity everywhere, from the automobile industry to electronics, toys, furniture, and various mechanical manufacturing industries. So you can start a business by making these ever-demanding springs using a manual or semi-automatic machine. You can also buy this spring making machine from a price ranging from 1 lakhs to 5 lakh rupees. This is a B2B business, so you can easily sell it to small manufacturing workshops, hardware stores, and various manufacturing industries. Number 8. Briquette charcoal making machine. If you have waste materials like biomass pellets, sawdust or coconut shells available in your area, then making briquette charcoal using them is a great business. So you can buy this machine with an investment of 3 to 8 lakh rupees. Then you can prepare the briquette charcoal and sell it to restaurants, hotels for barbecues, industrial furnaces and small industrial plants in rural areas. Number 9. CNC wire bending machine. This CNC wire bending machine bends small metal wires into precise shapes, and these bent wires are commonly used in furniture manufacturers, custom wire products, the construction, automobile and electronics industries. Also, you may need 5 lakh to 20 lakh rupees or more to buy these machines. However, it is very profitable business due to the constant demand from various industries. Number 10. Door hinge making machine. Starting a business with a door hinge making machine is very profitable. Yes, with increasing urbanization and construction of new houses and buildings, the demand for hinges is always constant. So you can buy a small automatic machine with an investment of 3 to 10 lakh rupees and make heavy duty hinges. Then you can sell them to the construction industry, furniture manufacturers and hardware stores. Number 11. Eyelet press machine. The eyelet press machine is used in drilling, fitting and setting of eyelets in shoes, bags, garments and paper products. And these handmade eyelet press machines are very affordable, while automatic and industrial machines can cost anywhere from 1 to 5 lakh rupees. Therefore, you can generate service or manufacture business using this machine and earn profit. Number 12. CNC carving machine. If you are interested in the world of art and digital, then CNC engraving machine is for you. Yes, you can do all kinds of intricate artistic engraving and cutting on wood, plastic, acrylic or light metals using a digital file. Also, when it comes to the price of this machine, small desktop CNC engraving machines range from 1 to 3 lakh rupees, while large industrial machines range from 5 lakh to 20 lakhs or more. Number 13. Rotor winding machine. Next, let's look at the rotor winding machine. Today, with the increasing number of devices powered by electricity, winding is always required for electrical motors, fans and pumps. For repairs and new products, you can start a winding business by purchasing an automatic or semi-automatic rotor winding machine with an investment of 2 lakhs to 7 lakh rupees. Then you can help various repair businesses and earn money. Number 14. Circuit board printing machine. Currently, circuit board is found behind every electronic device that we utilize. In addition, the use of smart devices and other electronic gadgets increases the demand of PCBs, and it's only rising. And entry-level PCB printing machines can range from 1 to 5 lakh rupees and above. So you can create PCBs for mobiles, computers, or other electronic manufacturing companies with the help of this machine. Number 15. Zipper coil forming machine. Zippers are an important accessory for the garments, bags, and footwear manufacturing industries. Also, you can buy the zipper coil making machine at a price range of 2 to 8 lakh rupees depending on their capacity. Then you can make zippers of different lengths, strengths, and colors with this zipper coil making machine. After that, you can sell them to local tailor shops, bag makers, or companies that manufacture branded goods. So friends, which of these machines caught your eye the best? Let us know in the comments which business idea excites you the most. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.